Onion price has increased by Taka 10 per kg in the capital's kitchen market. Besides, potatoes and eggs are being sold at higher prices than before. On the other hand, the price of vegetables are also high. Onions are being sold at Taka 100 to Taka 110 per kg and potatoes are being sold at Taka 60 per kg. Price of ginger and garlic is also high. On the other hand, eggplant is being sold at Taka 120 to Taka 140. Bottle gourd at Taka 100 and bitter gourd is being sold for Taka 120 per kg. Vendors said owing to continuous rain, the supply of vegetables has reduced and the prices have gone up a bit. Meanwhile, broiler chickens are being sold at Taka 180 to Taka 190 and Sonali chicken at Taka 340 to Taka 360 per kg. Besides, a dozen egg is being sold at Taka 150 to 160 in the capital market.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।